Hey guys, Bubby here. So, I've been kind of going through a little bit of a depression and very unmotivated to make any video. So I'm so very sorry guys that you guys haven't seen me in a while, but I'm back and I'm starting up again. So, hello, how you guys doing? For me right now, I'm doing pretty good. I'm going to show you guys how to get unready with me. Obviously, I already have all my makeup on. And I'm going to be doing some reviews in the next few days, so please stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe and join the Bubby fam. Alright, let's get started. Taking off my makeup, I always like to use the green cleanser, not cleaner. Oh my god, I suck. Cleanser, that's what it is. And with this little brush, not brush, but like plastic thing, which I really love. It's all full of foundation. So satisfying if you just dip in here. Oh my gosh. Now I'll dip into this since it's so easy to take off your makeup with this. I'll dip right into this and then I'll be going over to take it off fully with the Target Extra Large Cleansing Washcloths. Now these are the extra large. These are amazing if you have a full face like me. Highly recommend, and I will definitely have all these in the description below. And definitely having a mirror by, which I do not have, so I'll be right back. Oh, by the way, my next video that I'm thinking about making, probably in the next 4 videos, but I'm gonna do a on the go type of makeup, like makeup you should keep in your car because it's really convenient for you. Alrighty, I look like a hot mess right now. See how it just comes off? I'm sorry it's lighting so bad. I'm actually in my mom's room, so the lighting's not doing too well, but I'm sure you guys can see it pretty well, how well it's working, getting off my makeup. Definitely love this stuff. Now I'm going to be taking one of those big cloths. Extra large. Now look how big this is. It's like the size of my freaking head, if not longer. Yes, I already have white stuff on it because I was doing hair removal on myself, so don't be like, oh, what the hell is that? Because it's hair removal, okay? Don't judge me. If you're Latina like me, you know you're gonna be hairy. Okay, you see there's my actual real skin. Foundation. Gonna go in with the other side. I always have a hard time taking off my eye makeup because I have such sensitive eyes that it hurts taking off makeup with almost anything. Oh, my darn hair wants to get into it. Ugh. Taking off my eyebrows as well. Maybe take another one of those wipes. Clean the hand. That's what you need to do. Sorry, I don't know why I'm talking like the damn Grinch. But yeah. You wipe it off. This is what I'm talking about. I hate doing this because it always gets in my eye and it makes my eye all blurry. Make sure to get the cracks in between your nostrils, like in here, because it always sucks for me because I always end up forgetting. I'm going to be doing the top of my forehead and the other eyebrow. Slash kind of, yeah, I'm going to do my eye already. And it gets the mascara off as well. Whoa, I have a hard time seeing. Oh my goodness. And I also got the new e.l.f. skincare that I also really want to do a video on that. I've done many TikToks. I'll leave my TikTok in the bio or description below, whatever it is, but I'll definitely leave it in there as well. This is just one of my favorite cleansing balms. It works almost exactly like coconut oil. it doesn't hurt my eyes. Neither does coconut oil, which is why I highly recommend it. Oh, and I think you guys should really follow my TikTok, because I like to do a lot of like kind of challenges in a way. I like to do like updates on different products. I like to do all that stuff, so definitely follow my TikTok when I put it down below. Alright, I'm gonna be using, actually I'm gonna go clean my face real quick. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. So what I'm actually going to be using is I'm going to be using the Aqua Balm Hydrating Toner. It's really good for sensitive skin, so that's why I like it. Because if you're extremely red like me, you will understand. Whoa, that came out way too fast. Oh, my eyes watering. Oh my gosh, my eye is so irritated. I'm back. All sorts of sick. Okay, I'm going to be using the First Aid Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration. Now, if you're like me, this is almost, like I'm almost hitting to like the middle part of it. That's how much I use this. This is so good. Like, you can use it for your whole body. I use it on my face because my face is always blotchy and extremely red. I always use a whole bunch on my skin because, like I said, it helps with redness. Love it. Smells like Vicks Vapor Rub, which I'm a fan of. Big fan of Dr. Smell and stuff. See, and I just like soak it in, because if you're like me, these winter weathers do not do good with dry combination skin. Mine is not combination oily, mine's combination dry. So I always put this on before my makeup as well. And it just helps, like, that extra step. Now, some of you may say too much. It actually is too much, but I really do adore this stuff because it helps so much with my skin. It's helped clear it up better. All the jazz. By the way, I missed you guys so much. Like, I've been so unmotivated and like so like feeling sorry for myself and stuff, and it really sucks because I hate getting that way. I really do. I'm so glad I'm back because I love you. Now, this is the finished look. I'm still red and blotchy because I just took off my makeup, but it'll fade within the next, hopefully, hour or so. Alrighty, so I love you guys so very much. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share, and make sure to follow my TikTok as well and my Instagram. I love you guys, and I love interacting with you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I love you guys so much. Thank you. Bye bye.